Hello lovely souls and welcome to my channel the Hierophant 1111. Today we are going to do a pick a pile reading on what are your life lessons. So in this lifetime what have we come to learn? So let's take a look on the three piles I have. Okay, so we are going to start from here today. You all take your time. Okay, close your eyes, focus on your life and try to find the pile which resonates to you the most. If you wish, you all could pause the video here. When you all feel comfortable, you all can come back and choose a pile and that will resonate to you the most. Okay, so today we are going to start with the green pile for this. So what are your life lessons? If this one is the first one, the second one and the third one. So let's see what are your life lessons if you all have chosen the green candy cane today. So what do you need to know if you have chosen this green one? What are your life lessons? Okay, so the first one is the man holding a heart, the world, the angel of love, caring connections. Okay, sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron. So in this lifetime I feel Archangel Metatron is here to guide you. Woman holding a coin. Okay, angel of strength, walking away, healer of the ages and storm warning. So let's talk about it, because what I see over here is in this lifetime you are going to be a man or a woman, doesn't matter, but you're going to be a person who holds the heart, okay, or in your sleeves. You're a person who is an emotional person, who is a loving person, but who gets connections who are karmic. Okay, we can say that because I see a woman holding a coin. This could be a karmic person, and this person, you are looking for love in people who can't offer you anything other than their selfishness. That's what I'm getting over here. So there are going to be people around you who are karmic. There are going to be people around you who are going to be interested in your power, in your position, in your wealth, and you are going to be like an angel of love to them. Okay, and you're going to feel that they are caring connections. Initially, yes, you might feel that these people are your family, they are your caring connections, but what I see over here is a storm warning coming in your life. So in this lifetime you are going to be learning to not connect to those people, to finish first karmic ties. This is going to be our first lesson. Okay, y'all are here working with your third eye, so y'all are going to be taught lessons which will open your visions and which will guide you that who is the right person for you in your life. So I am seeing like you feeling lonely most of the times, and you depending on karmic people for fulfilling your life, and they walk away when you need them the most. Okay, so this is going to be your life lessons, because what I see over here, as I said, you are going to be a person who is going to be very loving, and there is some other lovely person meant for you. There's an angel of love meant for you in your life. Okay, but y'all are not going to be able to recognize them, and y'all have not been recognizing them for a very long period of time. So in this lifetime y'all are going to learn that how to recognize the true people. So y'all are going to see many times your judgment is going to go wrong about people, what they think, what they feel. They might be in disguise, and you might always have to face deceit. So if this is the cycle that is going on in your life, it is only because you are supposed to learn that the people over here are not meant for you. Okay, you have a special person for you. You have a twin flame, you have a earth angel, you have a star seed, you are a star seed, you are a twin flame maybe, and you have a special person in your life. Okay, and over here you are meant to be the healer of the ages. This is your life's purpose. Okay, so life lessons you all are going to be learning is like to know who is right for you, to know who's the right person, to try to recognize people. I also see in the starting your judgments going wrong, and later on you getting visions about people. I see you being able to see people's photo and judging them you know, whether they are the right people or not. You will have such powers because you will be working on this chakra in this lifetime. So you know, this is what I see for you. So your judgment's always going wrong, okay? So this is the reason why, because you have to, in future you are going to learn, you're going to be able to see the true people, and you're going to be able to choose the right people who will help you, who are there for you. But in starting, when you need them the most, they are going to walk away from your life. Though you do how much ever you want, but they won't be there for you when you need them the most, okay? So your life lesson is this: to be able to, you know the right people, to be able to judge people rightly, to be able to know, you know, how to behave with who, and you know how, maybe setting proper boundaries also, because I see you loving people around and giving all your care and concern in the starting, and then maybe tower moments coming in your life and you becoming a person, you know, who is going to get strength within, okay? I see you getting strength from within, and then you becoming the healer of the ages. So once you realize that the power is within, the love is within, the effort and the strength that you need is within you, the healing that you need, the love that you need comes from within you. I see you becoming the healer of the ages and trying to help and heal others and teach them the same lesson, that healing comes from within and love comes from within. So let's move on to the next pile, guys. So if you all have chosen the green pile, this is the lessons for you. Let's move on to the pink pile, okay? So this one is the second one, okay? And let's see what lessons you have to learn, okay? I see root chakra, Archangel Michael, okay? I see contract, I see 3D cord cutting over here. Let's see sun, door to heal, personal healing and happiness. Okay, I see you have to work on your lower chakras, okay? Let's see more. Community issues, blossoming abundance, and Archangel Samuel, okay? So what I see over here for y'all in this life is that y'all are supposed to become the most positive person. Y'all are supposed to learn positivity in every situation, okay? So that is the reason why y'all are not able to learn, is because I see the 3 chakras, that is the root chakra, your lower 3 chakras being imbalanced and blocked, okay? Archangel Ariel over here, and then Archangel Samuel. So you have to work on ego issues, you have to work on self-worth issues in this lifetime, you know. You all have to work on blocked emotions, like trying to, you know, clearly express, and you all will learn to express in this lifetime, you know. So you all are supposed to, the lessons you all are supposed to learn is that you have to find, you have to be positive in every situation, and you know, you have to see the rainbow. You don't have to see the dark clouds, you have to see the silver lining around the clouds. So this is going to be your lesson, okay, in this lifetime. I also see that rebirth is going to be a bigger thing for you in this lifetime. I see a lot of endings, lot of financial problems, lot of legal problems because of fears, you know. So your lesson could be that you have to leave the fears, you know, and also you have to cut toxic cords, you know. Also like I see, like, you know, community. So I see a lot of people being influenced by their family and their community, and you know, taking decisions based on that. So in this lifetime you are required to learn that this world, there's something much more beyond this world, okay? So there's something much beyond this 3 chakras, much beyond the fears and the, you know, people negativity. There's much more, there's positivity. So that's what you have to learn. You have to learn to, you know, be happy. You have to choose your happiness, and this is going to be your life lesson for this time, okay? Balance, you know, balancing yourself, you know, because that's what I see over here. Just knowledge does not get you balance, okay? Balancing your emotions and your you know, knowledge. You don't have to be like, I know everything and this world is nothing, and you know, emotions are nothing. Just by learning everything, maybe this gives me a, like, you know, you're very much interested in law, but and legalities of everything. You believe in the everything being legal, but you have to learn to give value to your heart as well. So this is also going to be a great lesson to you in this lifetime, to learn to achieve balance and create blossoming abundance for yourself. Okay, so this was for the pink pie, and now let's move on and let's see for the blue one. If you all chose the blue candy cane, let's see what are your life lessons in this lifetime. Okay, so patience. The first biggest thing that is coming to me if you chose the blue one is the patience. Okay, so that is going to be a big one for you. Hostilities, financial constraints and action. It's not about, guys, what is over here, it's about the lessons behind these cards. So what I see, y'all are going to learn patience. How? By being alone. Okay, all what your heart wishes is for a happy family. Okay, and y'all get heartbroken very easily, y'all panic very easily. So y'all are going to be taught that patience is the key. Okay, so until and unless you don't learn that lesson, your life is not going to progress. I see financial constraints over here. So your life lesson involves financial constraints, means y'all are going to be taught to wait for everything. So delays in everything. I see again action. Y'all are going to be taught to take action at the right time. Okay, maybe sometimes you might do something or you might not do something which you might regret later, that I wish if I had done this, or if I wish I was guided towards this and I would have paid attention to this particular thing, my life would have been different. Okay, so over here not taking hasty decisions, waiting for the right time, and also taking action on the right time is going to be a very big life lesson for you. Okay, and also your family members, to value family. Okay, so whatever your family connections are, however toxic the ties are, whatever has happened, God has given you a family for a reason. And your life lesson is going to be that to accept them as they are. Okay, and to forgive them and to move on, and and to create a balance and to heal these issues, and have a happy family. So what family you have been given, you have to value it in order to get a person in life. If you all are waiting to get married, your first lesson is going to be to value. Okay, what you have to value. So this is also going to be a lesson with financial constraints over here. Maybe you all will have triggers such as you all had not valued your finance in your past life or something like that, or you have never valued, you have never valued money and it has been easily available to you. So this is also going to be a lesson. Or you are having problems in getting money easily, so this, or you have too much and you have not valued, so you might feel have to go through financial constraints. Or you do not have enough money to fulfill your dreams, you have bigger dreams than the amount you have available. It's all going to be life lessons. And patience is going to be a very big one. Okay, so if you all have chosen the blue pile, patience is going to be a very big one. So I hope guys you all like this reading and you all came to know a little bit about your life lessons. Do let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, the Hierophant 1111. See you guys tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.